Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business but thought you needed money to do it? Here's the truth. You don't need cash. You need creativity, consistency, and the right idea. Here are 5 online businesses you can start today with zero money. 1. Freelance services. You already have a skill someone is willing to pay for. Writing, design, video editing, voiceover, coding. Create a profile on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. No investment, just your time and talent. 2. Print-on-demand store. Use free platforms like Printful and connect them to Etsy or Shopify. You create the designs and they handle the shipping. You only pay after you make a sale. 3. Digital products. Write an ebook, make Notion templates, Excel sheets, or guides. Sell them on Gumroad or Payhip. You create once and sell forever. 4. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you love on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or a simple blog. Each time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. No product, no customer service, just smart content. 5. Content creation. Start a Faceless YouTube channel or Instagram page. Talk about things you're passionate about: business, books, tech. Monetization comes through ads, sponsors, or selling your own digital products. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is today. Stop waiting. Pick one idea, start simple, and grow. Remember, you don't need money to start. You need momentum.